Hi there. So in this video I'm going to show you how to remove a directory from file system using Perl programming language. So the first thing I want you to do is make sure that Perl is properly installed, and also you have text editors such as Notepad++ or Visual Studio Code. Now here I have created sample.pl file within which I'm going to write the code. Now before that, take a look at this Perl magic directory. It is empty directory, but I created with Perl in earlier video. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove this directory from D drive. Okay, so what we're going to do is we are going to first thing what we're going to do is we will create this directory variable where we are going to show the path to Perl magic directory. So this sample.pl file is stored on D drive. This is where our directory also exists. So we can simply reference it with slash then name of the directory. In your case, this could be different. So next thing, we are going to use rmdir as keyword, and then we will call that as subroutine or function, and then pass on this $dir, and then use or die, and here we will simply type in error, and on next line we will type in print and then directory removed. Okay, save this. Now the flow of the program will be, first thing, this variable directory will contain a path to the directory which we want removed. So our script is running from D drive where we have Perl magic directory. So we have used slash and then name of directory. In your case, the path would be different. Now we have rmdir function which will take this path and remove the directory. If it fails to do that, it will throw error using this die keyword, and then program will exit if there is an error. If there is no error and directory is removed, then we get the message directory removed. Okay, so let's open this. Now let's go to the D drive, and here I'm going to type in Perl then sample.pl as my file path. Now here I'm going to hit enter and you will find directory removed as a message. Now let's open our D drive here, and you can see that there is no Perl magic directory. It is now removed and it is refreshed as well. Okay, so in this example we just checked how to remove a directory from, let's say, top of the tree, or within. You can also go with more complex folders. Okay, for example slash Perl magic, slash Perl, etc, etc. Okay, so depending on that path you'll be able to remove that directory. Okay, so hope you like this video.